Hey there guys, and welcome to section 11 of the course, and we're going to be talking about a special little feature called My Work. Now, not a lot of people know about this, and it's actually a really cool feature about Monday.com. So typically what might happen is that you might be on a number of boards, okay? You could be on 5, 6, 10 boards, and what has to happen is you need to update certain statuses on those boards, and you have to navigate to each one, right? But now My Work, which is the feature that we're going to be talking about today, it basically gives you the ability to pull that information into one space, and you can start updating your statuses and look at your deadlines and so on. And today I'm going to show you how you can set that up and customize it. So first off, to find the My Work, you will find it underneath Home, over here on the My Workspace. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on that, and you'll see it basically works very similar to a board, but not entirely. So over here, what we can do is we can say, okay, let's take a look at what items we have and what's overdue and so on. So first off, I can see what board it's in, I can see the group, I can see the date, and I can see the status. Now that is the only stuff that you can really bring into this board, right? And what can happen is I can open the items as well, and I can see all of the information by just clicking on this. It's really, really cool, right? Now, what I can do is I can customize this. You can choose exactly which people you want in here. You can then add in other boards. So as you add it onto a board, make certain that you add yourself into it on here as well. It will automatically add you, by the way, as soon as a person comes. So try to make certain that you keep this clean. Only really want to see the boards that you have on here. You only really want to see the boards on this where you have to action on certain statuses and things like that. On your status column, so this determines exactly what status you're seeing over here. So for instance, for the 11082223, we're looking at the status column. However, I could bring in the item type, and then suddenly that's going to change. Okay, but I just want to see the status column over here. For task list, I want to see the status for sub items as well. And then your date. So this is actually looking at, this is what's determining what is going into these groups. So if we, let's just go out here. So you can see over here we have a date. So if I change this date to today, you'll notice that it goes into today. If I change this one to the 18th, you'll see it goes into this week. And if I change it to the 22nd, it goes into next week, right? So you need to basically determine exactly what date is going to be the deadline. And as I'm updating, I can then say, this is done, completed. And there we go. And that is a really cool thing about this My Work. It really is cool. It helps to just take all of your boards and smush it into one space where you can work. Anyway, I hope you got some great value from this video. Till then, take care. See you in the next one.